What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have a super recommended special video coming from one of you guys. So if you want any videos to be featured in the next reaction, make sure you put them in the comment section. But before the video starts, as y'all know, Tuuzi season is approaching. September Tuuzi season is only one day away. So here's what I need y'all to do. First link in the description is gonna be my second channel. The second link is gonna be my Twitch. I need you guys to go follow me on Twitch because I am starting back streaming. It's not gonna be daily, but I will be starting back in September. Also, I will start posting more videos on my second channel. I don't know what I'm gonna be reacting to or what I'm gonna be doing on there, but I just need you guys to subscribe. If you guys can do that for me, that would be wonderful. Takes 2 seconds. You can pause the video, go in the description, click second channel, boom, you're done. That's all. Now, today's video, I'm a week late. I gotta admit, I'm not gonna lie, I'm a week late. I know. Trust me, I know. I was supposed to react to this a week ago. Unfortunately, we've been reacting to other stuff, you know, but that's fine. We're not gonna be late for no type of videos like this from Stray Kids or none of that. No more anytime soon. So I'm glad I got to get this done, you know what I'm saying? I'm sure this is a lit song, so I'm actually pretty excited to get into it. But today's video, we have Stray Kids MV. Hold on, let me look this word up. I'm gonna look this word up real quick. This in English. That Noise. Okay, we got Stray Kids That Noise MV. Let's get straight into the video. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Anything that y'all want to see me react to, drop it in the comments. Do it for September Tuuzi season. Okay, hold on, man. Who made this beat, bruh? Hey, hold up. They ain't put the producer in a. That's tough. That's fucked up. This beat is hard.
Dirty.
Hold on. Did that man just say he not sorry? He's dirty? Hold on, we gotta go back.
Man, I'm not sorry. I'm dirty.
What do you mean by that?
이거저거 귀찮아서 도리도리 말이 너무 많아 자꾸 나서지 좀 마라. Why you mad? Why you sad? Why you tick tick tick? 아로 반중 얼레리 걸레리 멋있는 척들이 양중 백gün 조차도 따라오지 못한 여기는 팬들 들어봐 질투가 전부 한쪽으로 지워놓고 버려. 기대감 악당 우리의 뜨거운 비가 돌아온 몸에 번져 소문난 군대의 모임에 쏟아지는 눈빛은 가자
You know what I'm saying?
오늘 소리꾼들이 왔어요 원래 삐딱해 소리는 일단 백 맘에 안 들면 들 때까지 말 대답해 Final warning 당장 back up press up set up break up how about a man 퇴 소리꾼 Sorry, I'm dirty.
Hey, hey. What the fuck is that? What the fuck? What is that? Who invited this nigga? Who? What type of ancient dragon is that? I ain't never seen that before. When y'all make this one? Cause ain't no motherfucking way, yo. Boy, ain't no way, boy.
Man, I'm not sorry, I'm petty. Keep on talking, we don't play by the rules.
Keep on talking. We don't play by the rules. He's speaking facts. Look at Avatar The Last Airbender right here. He's probably finna throw some water at me right now. I don't even know yet. Look, I knew it. This nigga just hit me with electricity. No, that's talent right there. That wasn't edited in either. Those are his real powers. Facts. Facts. Stop playing with that man. I like this one. K Straight Kid. I should have listened to this a while ago. I see I was missing out. I was missing out. But that's alright, because look, September Tuuzi season. We're not missing one song. We will be there for the NCT comeback. We will be there for all the EXO, all the BTS, all the comebacks. We will be there for. I promise you, I stand by it. I stand by it. You know what I'm saying? With that being said, if you enjoyed the video, make sure you drop a like. Before all that, go subscribe to my second channel. Go follow me on Twitch, because you do not want to miss a stream, I promise you. And then like the video, comment, and subscribe. You know what I'm saying? Hey, hit your boy with a sub. Hey, also, thank y'all so much. I forgot to thank y'all in the beginning. We hit 1.4K. Thank y'all so much. I really appreciate y'all. Y'all are goats. I love y'all, man. Thank you for all of the support. It means the world to me. Next video, I should be able to feature my cat in. You know what I'm saying? My cat still hasn't gotten here. I'm still ordering the stuff for it, like the thing that it shits in, and you know, stuff for it to be comfortable. So once all that stuff's get in, we'll have a new member to the Tuuzi family. You know what I'm saying? And it's gonna be fire. So without further ado, I'll see you in the next video. I love you all. Deuces.